Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1996 to 2002 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the body mount from the center section. Step 3. Pull the part up to the frame and mark its coverage. Begin cutting along the line while leaving enough material to weld back onto the frame. Step 4. After grinding down the surface free of dust and debris, coat the frame with a weldable primer to prevent further corrosion. Step 5. Put the part into place and secure it with C-clamps. Weld the part into place, followed by painting the part with primer. Finally, install your body mount, and you're done!